Now we know what our highest value function can do, so let's use it. Let me open our breakout formula and we add some more code. The code will be actually very short. Let me copy paste it because all the code is available as a resource to this course. The thing with coding is that coding rarely is that we write the whole code from scratch. Usually coding is just copy paste from other sources, from our old code, from the internet. So copy paste is very common in coding. Plus this is not very much of a coding, more scripting we can say. Anyway, we have our high to break, which is the high we will be breaking, or we are waiting the price to break it, which is plotted here. Now we want to identify the breakout. It means the price breaks the high. So what it means? We are waiting for close to be higher than the high to break. So whereas high to break is a variable, or it's an array, actually it's an array of values. It has values like these highs, so it changes in value. When we write it like this, close is higher than something, or something is higher than something, we are transforming it into a true false, or so-called boolean. So the result will be 0 or 1, and we are plotting it again. Let me apply it. I will disable this. Because in one box I would be plotting the array which has values like 57, 60, and at the same time statement that has values 0 or 1. So it wouldn't look, it wouldn't be readable. The breakout wouldn't be readable. Anyway, so I have nothing here. How come? That's because what I'm actually saying here. I said before that high to break is highest high of last 10 bars, including the current bar. And that's exactly why I am not seeing any values here. The breakout is 0, which means it's false everywhere. I don't see any other value higher than 0. So why is that? It's because, let me explain it like this. I am interested in the highest high of 10 bars, one including the bar, including the current bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the highest high is of this current bar. So what I am asking, is the close of current bar, which is this one, higher than the highest high of last 10 bars, including this one? It cannot be true, because the close will be always at least equal or smaller than the highest high. And that applies to all bars in the chart. We can take this box anywhere, for example, to this highest one. Again, is the close, can be the close higher than the highest high of the same bar? No. So that's why it's not working like this. What we have to do is shift this, let's say, box one bar back. For the breaking bar, it will mean the shift it here. And that is done like this. When we want to move, we want to shift a indicator or array, we have to write this ref, then the array and the shift. The shift will be -1. We can also shift ahead using positive numbers, but more often we need this shift back. Apply, and now we see some true values. You can see here that breakout is 1 or true right here. Here it is 0. So this indicator, our breakout, now has values either 0 or 1. 0 here, 1 here. Why 1 here? Because we are asking, is close of current bar higher than the highest high of last 10 bars -1? So shift it 1 bar back. And the answer is yes. And that is why it is 1. The same applies for this one. Is the close of this current bar higher than the highest high of last 10 bars? It is, because it is the close is higher than high of this candle. Now, if we want to follow this high, we want to catch this situation, this bar, to be our signal, then what we need to do? We need to extend the range of bars when we will be following the highest high. So it will be, we need to extend it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's try that. So what are we extending? We are extending this parameter, because it is highest high of what range? 19 bars. Apply. And now this bar, we can see that it is true. Our indicator is true for this bar, because it is breaking this box where the highest high is here. What is the value here? The value is, apply the crosshair. The high is 54.13, and here the close is 54.16. So it's not much, but the close is higher than this high. So the condition is fulfilled and our signal is active. What happens here, for example? We are moving our box of 19 bars here. When we are asking at this candle, we are asking, is close of current candle higher than the highest high of the last 19 bars? Yes. And the same applies for this one. Right? And the same logic applies here. over here. So it's not always so visible like this situation. Sometimes, oh, it is here, but for example, not really here because we are not breaking some big visible swing, but we are breaking a swing. We can further refine this signal, but for now, the principle is hopefully clear. Again, back to our code, and let's comment it. One more thing. If I, again, why I commented this, because if I keep it active and I apply, and these two indicators are both in the same box, this happens. I can see that this line is a bit curvy here because there the breakout gets a value of 1, whereas the high to break is an indicator or array of value 53. So that's what I meant, that the breakout is not very readable, visible here. So that's why I used comments. And comments mean that it is not that this line is not applied at all. But let's comment the other lines. Okay,